Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. After you open up your Google Photo app, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on album. Then name the album. Then enter description. Next thing you want to do is to click on select photos. Then from your gallery in Google Photo, select as many as possible images. I'm going to select this. Having select everything you need to select, next thing you need to do is to simply click on add right here. After a successful upload, you can review and see if you would like to remove any image right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on this check mark here. Then for you to generate a shareable QR code, next thing you want to do is to click on share icon. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on show QR code. Next thing you want to do is to click on create link. Then here you go. You have the QR code right here. You can easily screenshot the QR code. Once you screenshot the QR code, send the QR code to anyone that you want them to view the particular image from your Google Photo Gallery album. With that, what they need is to simply scan the QR code and they will have access to the photo. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photo like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.